Today's 4th of July! Alright, and we're going swimming. You might see what Dad's using. Super Mario Odyssey. He mush Super Mushroom from Mario. If you haven't seen the trailers of Super Mario Odyssey, just look at them. They're like awesome. Ah!
After many attempts, he finally got on.
How about you try, Dad? Try it!
I tried, it didn't work.
Try again. You know, that's what the remix is.
The remix?
Hey, I'm back, and this is something. It's been a couple minutes. And I'm making a pirate map. Pirate map. See this pirate map. And we're gonna and this is what I've been doing to it. Right? Been pulling it like that to make it more piratey. You know? And what else we're gonna do is to soak it in a pan of boiling water to make it a darker color. You know? That means
Time for dinner.
what's that new stuff? What's that new stuff?
That's right.
Cheese quesadillas.
Should be good.
And after the dinner, we're gonna do. Dad will go on a pirate map. That means wait until I eat all my dinner to see the pirate map. Okay? Hello, it's me again. And we did a lot of recording today because 4th of July. And we're going on a treasure hunt for the lost monkey. We don't know where this came from or who did it. We found the first map. Where's the other one?
Wait, there's more than one map?
Uh-huh. More than one. I'm checking here. Checking. I don't see any map.
I don't know.
Did you
This is one.
think so?
I think so.
Yeah, that's a map. Put them together and see where you have to go.
I don't know, where do you think we have to go?
I think we have to make a really, really long loop.
Okay.
Now we have to spin around.
Okay.
Ooh, that might make you dizzy, subscribers. That might make you dizzy and hypnotized. And now we gotta go around Mommy's car. Now we gotta go like this, like Slither.io. Now we have to do like this We gotta go to the garden. We have to go to the garden. Now let's take this way.
Hey, Snowball.
Hey, I hear a bang. Okay, now we gotta go back in the house. We gotta go upstairs. Do you see that?
I don't.
That looks.
Maybe it's in here?
I think it will be. I hear some jiggling.
Hey! We found the monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Nice flower. Dad, I went for some fireworks.
Sure.
Dad, did you get smoke bombs?
No?
There's smoke bombs and poppets. Wow. It's like a mini firework.
Mm-hmm.
Here's some mini fireworks I'm making. Mini fireworks. It's supposed to be a mini firework. And it's like a smoke bomb firework.
Oh, careful. That's why you can't do that, babe. You gotta remember, you gotta keep it away from you.
Don't play with fire. You're doing 4?
Ooh.
Just looks like actual fire.
It looks like you're coming out from the smoke.